Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the water lock feature on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch, and when you are planning to start some water activities, maybe you're showering or going to the swimming pool, you should always turn on the water lock feature. But how do you do it? You just have to swipe up from your home screen. So here's the home screen. You just swipe up and scroll down to this little drop icon, which is the water lock. Basically, this feature is going to block your screen so the water drops can't affect it, so it doesn't start some weird activities on your screen, which can be very annoying. You just tap on this one and it is going to block your screen. So as you can see, now I cannot do anything until I unblock the water lock feature. Now, how do you unblock it? You just have to hold your Apple Watch, and when you press the crown for a longer period, it is going to play a sound on a frequency that is going to eject the water from the speakers here. So let's see how it works in action. I submerged the Apple Watch in water so you can see as it ejects the water drops. So just press on the digital crown and see how it ejects the water. So 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, that was a huge splash. So this is how the Apple Watch ejects water from your watch after use. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.